What happens if the cost to fix my car is more than the insurance company's offer? It does not automatically end your claim. It usually means there is a dispute about repair cost, vehicle value, or both. A higher repair estimate can support a higher payment, especially if the first inspection missed hidden damage or used different parts or labor assumptions. Gather photos, a detailed repair estimate, any supplements, and records showing your car's condition and value before the crash. If the repair cost gets close to or exceeds what the car was worth before the crash, the insurer may treat it as a total loss instead of paying the full repair amount. Also, settling the car damage does not automatically settle any injury claim unless a written agreement clearly says that. If the insurer still will not adjust the offer, you may need to use the dispute process or consider a property damage lawsuit before any filing deadline runs out.